used for driving us around, and cars are very good buddies for us in daily life. Ladies, you might miss out some facts when driving or sitting in the car. And today, I'm going to show you 4 interesting facts in the car, and save this video as your favorite because it's going to be so useful in your daily life.
Vân is rushing for work and need to put makeup on in the car. Suddenly, thinking of the sun visor, Vân opens it and uses so she can put on her lipsticks. Sun visor can help to shade the eyes of drivers and passengers from the glare of sunlight from the front and the side, and also for doing makeup too, but don't do it while driving. The car stopped suddenly and needed to pull to the side of the road. But how? Vân looks at the male driver for pulling the car, but the male driver doesn't know how to do it either and expects Vân knows how. Vân starts to think of the solution to do so. Suddenly, she thinks of the solution by using the seatbelt. Seatbelts are important as it can save our life in crucial time. Seatbelt is not only your lifesaver, but also your reliable buddy. If your man can't help you out, lady, you can do it yourself. Get the seatbelt out, close the door, and hold on your shoulder so that you can use all your energy to push the car. Your right hand can even control the direction easily.
Some people feel uncomfortable when putting on seatbelt. It's because they didn't put them on in the right position. Seatbelt can actually adjust their height, and you will feel more comfortable when you put them in the right position.
Wow, so how did you actually know how to do that trick?
I actually follow Play It TV by Auto Mechanica.
Oh, nice. Do you actually know what's wrong with the engine?
I'm not sure what's wrong, but definitely something wrong with the engine. Let me check the hood, okay?
Okay,
Let's see. Oh, I think the engine...
Whoa, don't touch that. So,
why not?
because the engine's been hot and it's been on, it will erupt and fire oil all over the place. So you need to wait for it to cool down first before you open the oil cap.
Ah, that's useful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
To be safe to drive on the roads, please prepare a pair of flat shoes in the car when you're driving. Please don't drive the car with high heels or slippers.
That's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned some useful tips and tricks while being on the road. Comment down below any topics or any interesting facts about car that you want us to do. Let us know so we can do it in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to our channel so you won't miss your favorite episode. Alright everyone, I wish you drive safe on the road, and let's play it, watch it, and feel it together. Bye!